Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your host, Sarcastic Specialist. This is the Chaos Before the Contract playlist. In this corner of the ZDS multiverse, we answer Real Guard 101 questions. With cinematic chaos, no recruiter sales pitch, and zero fluff. What you'll hear is the answer. What you'll see, that's the journey. Just you, me, and the info you're really looking for. So here is the question. What happens between enlisting and shipping out? You've enlisted, you're drilling, but basic is still weeks, maybe months away. So what now? This is the prep window. You'll go to RSP. You'll finish school or get life in order. You'll get your packing list, your orders, and your ship date locked in. This is when you get physically and mentally ready. When you memorize rank, reporting statements, and how to not stand out in the wrong way. It feels like limbo, but it's mission critical. Use this time right, and you'll crush basic from day one. Text your recruiter, "Can you send me the official ship checklist?" They'll make sure nothing gets missed. If that helped, there's a whole playlist full of answers just like it. Check out the rest of the channel: guard questions, cinematic chaos, and zero recruiter sales pitch. Like, subscribe. Send it to your friend who's overthinking everything. Or just watch the next one. I'll be here, glitching in whenever the questions show up. Don't ask why the soundtrack slaps, just accept it.